What's up, guys? How you doing? Thank you for watching. This is actually our first video that is going to YouTube. We're actually very excited about that, and we are actually more excited to be taking this bad boy apart. This is an 128 gig iPhone XR. We're gonna show you guys how to remove the screen because I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna be doing a lot of screen repairs on this device. This is the device that comes with the LCD and not the OLED screen. All right, y'all ready? Let's go ahead and open it up. Brand new. We can call this the unboxing as well. And there he is. I'm sure you guys want to look at the back. That's the most popular thing about this device. It's gonna come in several different colors, and it's just very nice device. It seems to be a little bit thicker than previous versions, or if you compare it to the iPhone X. As you can see, it comes on. So let's go right ahead and get into the disassembly of the front assembly for your iPhone XR. Gonna uncover this bad boy. And as you can see, the screen works well. It is an iPhone, a real iPhone. It's not a mock-up model or anything like that, okay guys? So first things first, safety. Let's cut this phone off. I think I know how to cut it off. Alrighty. Same old gray screws at the bottom, the pinhole screws. Let's see if we can. Nice. As you can see, look at the screws right here. They're gonna be those nice trademark Apple bottom screws. All right. Okay. We're gonna use this little tool to help us with the opening of the screen. Not required or necessary, but it makes your job a lot easier. Also, we're gonna go ahead and heat up the edges so we can open the device. All right, guys, so we're gonna heat it up a little bit with the heat gun. We don't want to heat it up too much since this is an LCD screen. Okay. Use our little handy tool. Okay. There's the bad boy opening up. Having a little technical difficulties here. There we go. So yeah, that tape is very nice. Keeps your phone waterproof. Get a little help from this. Good old sesame. Okay. All right, guys. So there you are. iPhone XR. Say hello to the XR, guys. And I guess I must be wrong. This is it looks like an OLED. Anyway, so it looks like we need to disconnect the cables. Looks like it's the cables for your display. So this motherboard doesn't look anything like the iPhone X motherboard so far. Definitely big. Just removing the shields. There's one shield. Got your other shield. Alright, so there you have it. Pause it, Joe. Oh, no, never mind. Yeah, pause it. Alrighty. Disconnect the screen. Alright, and there you have it. Screen assembly for the iPhone XR. Look at me, I'm gonna say okay. All right, guys, so there you have it. A pretty easy phone to open. Seems pretty simple to replace your screen as well. You have your loudspeaker right there. You just have to take it off. Stay tuned to our channel so you can watch the full disassembly of the iPhone XR. Thank you for watching, guys. Come back and see us. Thumbs up. Give us a like.